know something's up. We are not dealing with snow here in North Alabama.
But we are dealing with cold.
We are dealing with cold. You know, it's a good thing that we're not dealing with snow because we might have a good bit of it given how cold these overnight temperatures are. Let's give you some perspective on this midday. Go back to last Thursday, just 7 days ago. Here in Huntsville, we hit 75. Today, just a measly 30 degrees colder than that, 45. That is your forecast high, where we were talking about those records in the 80s about a week and a half ago. Those are long, long gone. That's the view of the Way 31 Skycam network here just after 11 o'clock. Crystal clear blue skies. It's a gorgeous November day, just unusually cold, about 20 degrees below average for this time of year. 40 on the dot in Huntsville. Same story goes for Decatur. 41 out in the Shoals. Guntersville still holding on to the 30s at 37 right now. This is what it feels like with that wind out of the northwest. It's not necessarily a blustery day, but that light breeze around 5 to 10 miles per hour is just enough to give us those wind chills in the low to mid 30s. So if you're cold natured, it might not be a bad idea to keep those hats and gloves handy through the rest of the afternoon. High temperature 45, as we mentioned a moment ago, 20 degrees below average for mid-November. Any Thursday night plans you might have, bundle up. Still clear skies, no rain, no snow to contend with. We'll be down to 37 by 6 o'clock and close to that freezing mark by 9 p.m. Clear skies stay with us tonight. That means we drop back into the 20s tomorrow morning. And that, of course, means we'll stay dry and quiet on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. Your 7-day forecast is still completely dry. Just outside the 7-day, though, it's a different story. Here we go with future radar. This is 7 o'clock tonight. We mentioned those temperatures already close to freezing. 6, 7, 8 o'clock tonight. When you wake up Friday morning, still clear skies in the mid-20s for those actual air temperatures. But with that light breeze still with us, very well could see some wind chill values in the teens Friday morning. You see a few clouds start to filter in tomorrow afternoon, and we'll have a very slight warm up, but still way below average. Upper 40s for most, mid 40s perhaps up in middle Tennessee. It all depends on just how much cloud cover you see tomorrow. But in general, we'll call it that filtered sunshine for your Friday. Any of those clouds we do see throughout the day tomorrow will be gone by the time you wake up Saturday morning. And you guessed it, that means overnight lows back in the 20s. And this weekend, wash, rinse, and repeat. Tons of sunshine, very nice days, but chilly. We do get up to 50 on Saturday. Then we have another dry cold front moving in Saturday evening, and that'll knock our temperatures back down into the 40s by Sunday. We stay completely dry for the next 7 days, but just outside of that, some forecast models are trying to squeeze out some showers. Thanksgiving Day, 7 days away. A lot is going to change with this forecast. Some forecast models keep us completely dry, so just check back often for updates and keep it in the back of your mind. We may have some rain for Thanksgiving this year. Until then, it's all quiet but cold, highs in the 40s through the weekend, and then we warm back into the 50s by Monday.